one of the aspects of yoga is to take care of your body, which is really the best and the most beautiful creation of God. On the other side, we are talking of detachment from the body, and that body is not sort of important. So, I mean, there is a little bit of a disconnect in my mind on that issue.
We never said body is not important. Body is fine, but body is limited, isn't it? Yes? Body is a limited possibility. When you're young, you think body is unlimited. But if you have little sense, you can see body is very limited, isn't it? So is there something wrong with being limited? Nothing wrong. It is just that your nature is such that it cannot settle for anything limited, please see. Yes? Once you come with a human form, it cannot settle for the limited. If you give it this, it'll ask for that. If you ask for that, if you give it that, it'll ask for that. If you give it that, it'll ask for this. Endlessly it'll ask, because it is seeking the unbounded. So body can never really fulfill you, because you will not settle for the limited. So we are talking about going beyond the body, not because we think something wrong with the body, simply because you cannot settle for the limited. If you settle for the limited today, tomorrow you'll be frustrated with it. You'll want something more, something more, something more. How much more do you want? You want to become unlimited. Please look at your desire. Your desire is always to become unlimited. Whatever you know, through that it is trying to become unlimited, that's all. So body, the limitations of the body will not allow you to be fulfilled, so we are seeing how to go beyond it. This does not mean neglect the body, this does not mean destroy the body, this does not mean body is not important or body is wrong. It's only through the vehicle of body all this nonsense you can do, isn't it? To destroy the vehicle, what to do? No, we are not talking about destroying the body at all. We are not talking about ignoring the body, but using the body to the limited dimension that it is and see how to go beyond that. Because if you don't see that, you will never know fulfillment, because body is a limitation. Body is a tremendous limitation, isn't it? It's a tremendous possibility, but still a tremendous limitation, isn't it?